You can generate royalty-free AI music in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Mubert. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Mubert? Straight from the source, discover Mubert, the best AI music generator for royalty-free music. Generate music from text prompts for videos and projects online. Create royalty-free audio in plain words. It lets you generate royalty-free AI music without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Mubert worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, human and AI music generator. On top of that, AI music has no boundaries. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Mubert. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Create with Mubert Render. Need more inspiration? So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Mubert website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Mubert does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to generate royalty-free AI music with Mubert in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.